Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about this Mivi Bluetooth wireless earphone dongle, that how you can easily pair this with your mobile phone. First of all, what we have to do, we have to just open this device like this, and we have to remove these two earpods. And when we remove these, as you can check out, these lights starts blinking over here. That means these are on right now. What we have to do, we have to just switch on our mobile phone and go to the Bluetooth section over here by long pressing, and after that we have to just go below and click on search device or available device or refresh that option. You will see a Mivi DuoPods option over there. Just click on that and it will ask you that you really want to pair this with your AirDops. Now you have to just click on this pair button. 1 second, I'm gonna press it. Oh, sorry. It's saying that it's couldn't pair. Now search again and click on this, and it will ask you that you really want to pair. Click on this pair, and voila, it's connected with your mobile phone. Hope you understand that easily, how you can easily pair this kind of wireless Mivi AirDops with your mobile phone. Hope you understand and liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.